Nagsagawa ng training exercises sa Subic International Airport ang US Marines at Philippine Marines kung saan ibinida ang iba't ibang sasakyang panghimpapawid ng Amerika. Ang ulat mula kay Robert Tan.
Ipinagmalaki ng US Marines ang kanilang mga sasakyang panghimpapawid na ginagamit nila sa kanilang mga expeditions o training exercises sa harap ng media sa Subic International Airport nitong Sabado. Ilang mga helicopters at eroplano ang naging bahagi ng static air show sa naturang airport. Ito ay bahagi ng pagsimula ng FIBLEX o Amphibious and Landing Exercises na patuloy na nagaganap sa pagitan ng US Marines at Philippine Marines.
The purpose of the display today is just to ensure that we share the aircraft and lessons learned about the aircraft out here and show not only you all but also our Philippine counterparts, the aircraft that we use in our operations.
Sa military side naman, learning is a continuing process, and by training, you can continuously hone the skills that you have acquired during the previous trainings that you have joined.
Mahigit 20 taon na itong bilateral exercises na ginaganap dito sa Pilipinas upang palakasin ang kakayahan ng Philippine Marines sa pagsasanay. Pero ayon din kay Brigadier General Craig Timberlake, marami din silang natututunan mula sa Philippine Marines.
We also know that the Philippine military and government are very good at responding themselves, so there's a lot of things we can learn from them. So that's what we try to do.
Mahigit 1,000 US Marines ang kasama sa training exercises. Ayon kay Brigadier General Remigio Valdez, hindi lang training ang magaganap, tumutulong din daw ang US Marines sa humanitarian projects.
Madami yung mga humanitarian assistance na part of the exercise. Actually, the construction of a 2-building classroom ay ongoing na sa San Narciso, and a series of humanitarian community engagements.
Ayon sa dalawang kampo, dahil sa mga training exercises na ito, mas lumalakas ang kanilang mabuting samahan. Wala rin umano itong kinalaman sa issue ng West Philippine Sea. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Robert Tan.